Hello everyone, this is Mickey, and today we are going to use a simple tennis ball to work to a full body routine. Let's get rolling. Body workout with a tennis ball helps with flexibility, boosts circulation, and relaxes your muscles. Let's start at the bottom with our feet. Place the ball under one foot, slowly roll it from your heel to your toes. This helps relieve tension in the foot muscles, improves flexibility, and stimulates blood flow. Next, sit with your legs extended and place the ball under your calf. Gently roll it along the muscle. It's great for easing tightness and can help prevent injuries from activities like running or jumping. Now, place the ball under your thigh or behind your hip while lying on the floor. Roll it around to massage deep into the hamstrings and glutes. This releases muscle knots and boosts elasticity. For the lower back, lie down and position the ball near your spine, but not directly on it. Move side to side. This gentle pressure massages the area, helping to reduce pain and improve spine health. Finally, for the shoulders and neck, stand against a wall with the ball between your shoulder blades or hold it in place at the base of your neck. Press and roll. This alleviates stress and tension from everyday activities like sitting at a desk. That was our full body workout using just a tennis ball. Simple, effective, and soothing. Thanks for joining me, and remember to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.